Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing how to stay ahead of the curve by harnessing the potential of Julius AI for data analysis. In this video, we will explore the capabilities of Julius AI and how it can revolutionize the way you analyze data. Julius AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform that is designed to analyze large datasets quickly and accurately. It uses advanced algorithms to identify patterns, trends, and insights that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts. With Julius AI, you can uncover hidden insights in your data and make informed decisions based on real-time information. One of the key benefits of using Julius AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human analyst. This can save your organization time and resources, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. Additionally, Julius AI can provide more accurate and reliable insights, leading to better decision-making and improved outcomes. Implementing Julius AI into your data analysis workflow is simple and straightforward. You can easily integrate Julius AI with your existing data sources and tools, allowing you to start analyzing data immediately. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, Julius AI can help you unlock the full potential of your data. In conclusion, harnessing the potential of Julius AI for data analysis can give you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced business environment. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can make smarter decisions, drive innovation, and stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit www.warfa.net. Thank you for watching.